Okay, this is so cool. Chefologist back in the house, customer top rated. The inverted decanter and aerating system all in one. Plus, it's a glass of wine in a show. Because
Exactly.
how cool does this look? Now, aerating wine is so important. If you want your wine to really come to life, to the way it was meant to taste, you have to incorporate that air. That means it's blossoming. That means that it is adding that air so all of the different notes, tannins, whatever it is, come to life in the glass. I could watch this all day.
Yeah,
This is stunning.
Think about it. Within minutes, you're taking an entire bottle of wine without having to hold it, turning it upside down on the decanter, and it's completely aerating that bottle of wine, and it's decanting it into this beautiful borosilicate decanter. So now, if I wanted to, I take the bottle off.
Okay.
I have a beautiful decanter to present. You're going to notice here on the bottom, there's this little indentation. That's what we call a punt. That's so when you put your hand in there, you have a grip. And then when it's time to pour, you can pour your wine right out of the decanter. So it's completely aerated. Now here's the best part, right? So I've poured my wine. Let's just say this was a really fancy bottle of wine. And you said, you know, you wanted to bring that bottle of wine back to the table. And I wanted to put the wine back in the bottle. With a traditional decanter, you couldn't do that.
No.
But with ours, you could literally put the bottle back on top and then reverse the process.
That's crazy.
And do what we call reverse decanting. So I can decant the wine and put it back into the bottle.
That's crazy.
So if you wanted to show off the label and maybe it was a beautiful bottle you wanted to bring to the table, so now you've decanted it twice. And you'll notice here, as it's going back in, it's pulling air in. So it's aerating the entire bottle of wine. You can see at the top here, if we can get a picture of the camera, those little bubbles, that's the air. So when you expose wine to air, I spent 15 years in the wine business. It's like a piece of fruit, right? You're letting the fruits blossom, the flavors, the aromas. So it's softer, it's rounder, it's smoother, it's not as bitter. And now the wine tastes like you've had it in the glass for an hour as opposed to 2 minutes.
Exactly. I was in the wine business forever too. I was in the bar business, but wine business specifically. And the amount of times that customers would come in with a special bottle of wine and ask for their wine to be decanted by one of the bartenders from all the bars that I ran, because it was a special bottle of wine, because they understood that it really brings the bottle to life and it drinks the way it was meant to be drunk. When you see us here on QVC and we're trying our wines, we're swirling, 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 swirling.
Exactly.
And that's what we're doing. We're aerating, but this is better. This is the way it should be. It's efficient. It's beautiful. It's dinner in a show.
Yeah, and I love what you said, it's dinner in a show. So this bottle you can actually see through. You see those little bubbles coming up?
Yeah.
That's a great shot right there. So that's pulling air into the wine, opening up the flavors and aromas. But to your point, decanting a wine, a lot of times people were a little nervous because you had to hold the bottle and decanter. I love the fact that you can simply turn the bottle upside down. It has a silicone top on it that the bottle snugs onto. And then every drop of the wine is being spread over this glass. And that's important because as you spread the wine, you're aerating it, right?
When you decant just by hand, you have to have it at a tilt, and you're trying to make sure it hits the glass as it goes down slowly. This is just like one and done. There are colors, by the way.
Yes.
And the colors just really come in the color, and the fact that you can seal it in as well, which is really great. So this color is your
rose gold.
Thank you, rose gold.
This is the black titanium.
Black titanium.
And then over here is the iridescent, which has kind of got like this kind of a little bit of a.
Look at that.
Yeah, and you know what it is? It's a beautiful decanter. It's not just it's a gorgeous borosilicate decanter that really is going to be nice to present to your guests. So you can serve the wine in this, and a lot of people, and it's not too big. A lot of decanters are these giant glass
really
decanters.
Huge.
And here's the other thing you and I talked about. So while these are decanting, I'll just show you on the front here.
Okay.
This lid is nice because if you ever go outside or in the warmer weather as you're starting to do things, this lid actually can cover this up. So if there was any fruit flies, they wouldn't be getting. So once you've decanted it, maybe you're going to take this outside. You don't want those fruit flies to go in. And then when it's time to pour it, you just pull it right off. It's got a little.
I love the fact that you can reverse decant as well, especially for your whites. If you don't drink it all, you want to put it in the fridge.
Yeah, that's perfect. So people are like, oh, white wine doesn't need to be decanted. It's the same thing. White wines, they open up more as they sit in the glass. So you can do both things here. Now, this is finished, but once again, I'm just so you can show
That's going to be the most aerated bottle of wine that ever was. Yeah. Just going back and forth and back and forth. But you can. Not a drop. You can just leave it alone and let it do its thing. The price is so good. You're saving over $19.50. It's $24.99. It's shipping for free if you are a wine enthusiast or not. Even if you don't know anything about wine.
Yeah.
Just believe us right now when we tell you the wine is better when it's aerated and decanted.
How satisfying, by the way. I don't know about you. There's something about this. I can watch it.
I can watch it all day.
Yeah, and it's almost the
like
anticipation
the lava lamp of wine.
exactly, and then you're waiting for that glass of wine. So it's like our wine opener makes it easy to open wine. This makes it easy to decant and aerate wine. We wanted to have things that were practical, but also were a little bit more fun, a little bit more easy to use. And I just think it creates, listen, wine is when we're sharing and having good times with our friends and family and loved ones. What better way to do it to create a little bit more excitement and fun when you're decanting and make the wine taste better?
That's it in the end, right?
Yep.
It's going to live to its fullest potential when you aerate it.
And
it really makes
I love
sense.
reading the reviews because people are like, oh my gosh, I decanted the wine. Yeah, and I tasted the wine afterwards, and it's different. It's softer. The fruits are bigger and brighter. It's the way the wine is meant to be. Usually it's about 25 minutes in the glass. Here, you decant it in minutes, you have a delicious glass of wine.
The challenge here, if you pick this up and you've never decanted wine ever in your life, I want you to get this home. I want you to open up a bottle of wine. I want you to pour half a glass.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
And then decant the rest of it. And then I want you to do a taste test of that half glass right out of the bottle versus the glass that had been decanted with this decanter and aerating system. You will see what we're talking about.
Totally
it is a
different.
world of difference. Worlds apart, but so much better. Great gift opportunity right here for anyone who loves wine. Great hostess gift if someone's inviting you to their home for the holiday. I love this. So the colors are, and it's really in the color, and I'll just do it this way.
In the lid.
Here is in the lid. This is your iridescent. Is that what we're calling it? Yes, iridescent, most limited, 2 dozen left. Here's your rose gold. This is my favorite. It's kind of bronzy.
Yeah, a little bronzy, yeah.
And then this is your black titanium. Everything else, exactly the same. You just pick your own wine. It's K98277. Don't miss out on this. I love it so much. It's customer top rated. Read the reviews. I need one of these.
I know, it's cool.
That's really good.
I love it.
That's really good. All right.